Tom Varcie with Military Embedded Systems. I'm at AOC 2018 in Washington, D.C. I'm at the Pentek booth with Rodger Hosking. How are you, Rodger?
Doing very well, thanks.
Great. So Pentek has a great new product. It is the Quartz Express module, and Rodger's going to talk to us about it, and go ahead.
Thanks a lot, Tom. Xilinx came out with a really incredible chip called the RF SoC chip, and it has 8 channels of 4 gigahertz 12-bit A to D converter. It has 8 channels of 6 gigahertz D to A converters. It has a wealth of FPGA resources in the Kintex UltraScale Plus Zinc architecture, and it includes a quad A53 Cortex ARM processor core, all on the same chip. Now, because it's all on the same chip, the design rules for guaranteeing that those resources are maintained in terms of signal fidelity, signal quality, crosstalk, noise, pickup, spurious, it's very difficult to make a board that uses that chip effectively and maintains all that fidelity. So what we did was we came up with a small module, which we call our Quartz XM module, that has the RF SoC chip, and it has connectors for the 8 analog RF inputs and outputs with bandwidths capable of going above 6 gigahertz in bandwidth. It has digital connectors for the high-speed gigabit serial links, including 2 100 gigabit Ethernet links, so that people can get data in and out of the module very efficiently at 25 gigabytes per second using both of those 100 gigabit links. Now, the nice thing about this, because it's called a system on chip, it really is a complete standalone, self-contained processing, acquisition, and generation engine. It can be used very effectively in small spaces where you might not otherwise be able to accommodate all the hardware in conventional form factors like 3U VPX, for example. So this is intended to go into unmanned aircraft. It's intended to go up on antenna arrays where you might have, for a 64 element array, you might have 8 of these RF SoC Quartz XM Express modules behind the array, with some RF circuitry in between to achieve the transmit and the receive beamforming, direction finding, steering that the customer really needs for that particular application. Of course, it also goes into unmanned vehicles in a very small, compact space that otherwise would be just too big for it. So what we've done is we've made this technology, the RF SoC technology, easy for our customers to use in their own applications, in their own setting. We have a design kit that tells you how to take the XM module and put it into a custom design carrier that meets the requirements of each individual customer's system. So that's what we've done. We're trying to get you to market very easily. We have excellent software development tools, extensive FPGA design tools, along with 4 examples built into the standard product, including digital RF memory, a streaming acquisition example, 100 gigabit Ethernet, a waveform generator example for generating chirp waveforms, and a multi-mode acquisition and processing example. All of these are included and ready to go from day one. So the whole idea of Quartz XM is to let you get the RF SoC technology to market in your product as quickly as possible.
There's been a lot of people milling around the Pentek booth looking at this product, which is an award-winning product too, and so a lot of people are really excited about it here. How can people get more information about this product on your website, or?
If you go to our website, pentek.com/RFSoC, you'll find a complete product page that includes data sheets. We have videos, we have white papers, we have publications in terms of newsletters. So I think a lot of information will be there very effectively. We can also send you a short self-running PowerPoint presentation animated to show you all the highlights of the software development tools, the FPGA development tools, as well as the hardware features of our product.
Great. Thank you very much, Rodger.
All right. Thank you very much, Tom.
Sure.